Hello and welcome to my Spookyween review. In this Spookyween review, I'm going to show you everything that you get with Spookyween. And first, I'm going to describe what Spookyween is and how it can benefit you and your business. Spookyween is a really cool product that gives you PLR videos that you can use to promote anything that you want in Halloween. So this is children's Halloween stories. So if you or your business is connecting with children in any way, this is going to be great for you to take advantage of. And it's relatively cheap. It's $14.95 on the front end. And you really don't need anything else other than that because this is going to give you all the videos inside. Everything is done for you here. I'm going to show you that here in just a second. And all you would have to do is put your own logo on it. Take the old logo off, what their logo is, and then put your new logo on it. That's all you have to do. Or put your website address on it, whatever you want to do with it. So it is 52 videos that's already done. They're short videos. They're up to a minute long, and it relates to children. It is a short story, like a YouTube Shorts or a Facebook Reel or TikTok or something like that. And you can share these wherever you want. The great thing about this is that it has private label rights, which is PLR. So that means, look at this right here. It says you can resell, rebrand, repurpose, and keep 100% of the profits. That means if you want to resell these videos one by one, each at a time, go for it. You can do that, and you can keep 100% of those profits. If you want to do these for companies and say, hey, I'll do a children's Halloween video for you, a story, I'll charge you $15 or $25 or whatever. You can charge how much you want, and I'll give you that with your logo on it, and you will be able to do that with this. It's really cool. So let me go ahead down here, and you get 50 plus animated vertical kids story videos. As of right now, it's 52 in there, and I'll show you that here in just a second. And you get access to videos anytime, anywhere. And all you need is Canva. You don't need the pro version. You only need the free version. So you just need to sign up for a Canva account if you haven't already. Canva is a video. It's a picture video editor, social media. It's really cool. If you haven't checked it out yet, go over and do that. And you can edit these straight from Canva using the free version. So let me go ahead, scroll down here, and here are the stories, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back end as well. So let me play one of these stories for you. So this is Bramble's Halloween Fantasy. I won't play the whole thing out. I just want you to see a little bit about what the quality of these are, and I was very impressed by the quality of these videos. So let me go ahead and play this one.
Halloween Fantasy. On a crisp Halloween night, a brave hedgehog named Bramble discovered a hidden, glowing nest nestled among the roots of an ancient oak tree. As Bramble examined the nest...
Okay, Bramble's Halloween Fantasy. Let's go ahead and remember what we've done. That way we can see what this looks like on the back end. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go over and show you what you get after you purchase. After you purchase, you will be giving this thank you page. And all you have to do is click on this button here. It says download your videos, and then you can download the bonus if you want to download that. And then you can go to the upgrades. These are the upgrades if you want to do that. That's not necessary to get the videos as I showed you. So then after you click to the download videos, you're going to be given a Google spreadsheet. So let me show you what this looks like. So these are the names of the videos. These are the links in Canva. These are the templates in Canva. And then these are the links and images of the video. Those are the raw image and the raw videos. So the raw videos don't have any type of audio to them. It does not have any watermarks. It does not have any logos. And it does not have any narratives on it. It does not have any captions on it as well. It's just a raw video. So if you want to use those, they're there for you to do that. So let's go look for Bramble's Halloween Fantasy. And let's click on that. And it's going to take us into Canva. So we've come into Canva here. And all we need to do is click on this button here that says Use Template for New Design. And here it is, Bramble's Halloween Fantasy. Now, everything is shown down on the bottom by slides. So this is your title slide, and then this starts where we were playing right here. This is the first slide, and then the second slide, and the third slide, and the fourth slide. And this is what I was talking to you about, the logo. You can click this logo at the top, and then you can delete it. You can hit the delete button, and then you can put your own logo in here. Put your logo in here, put a client's logo in here. You can put a web address in here so that you can, these people will hopefully be sharing your videos, and then they will go to a landing page that you have where they can put in their email and they can sign up for email list, or they'll be taken to another offer, whatever. But you can use these videos to your advantage in your affiliate marketing business. So these videos, I was really impressed by the quality of the videos, to be honest. Let me go ahead and play it.
Halloween fantasy. On a crisp Halloween night, a brave hedgehog named
Just that you saw that it was the right one. And then all you would need to do is come up to share at the top when you're ready to download. Hit the download button. It's already shown as MP4 video suggested. And then you click the download button, and it would download it locally to your computer. So that's 52 videos that you could be putting on your channels throughout the whole month of October for kids. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, please click the like below. Also subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one. And I was really excited about this product. I hope you are too. Go ahead and get this as quick as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.